So on the connected app, it has the navigation function. And the navigation function is actually really good if you know how to use it. So if I open up, and you can see straight away this has come to my maps, and in here is all the routes I've either planned within the app or I have imported from my route app or Kalimoto. The thing is though, if you want to use the app itself, and if you follow the instructions, it tells you at the top to put in the address, but as you can see on this, there is no address by the top, and the problem is actually I've got a route in already. So what I have to do to open it up is click that. It says a route will be dismissed, okay, and then at the top you get the search bar. And this is what I think is catching lots of people out. I've had a couple of comments where people say they can't plan in it. And once you do that, if you press search, then your history comes up, or you can put something else in. So let's try, I don't know why I'm picking Blackpool. So there's Blackpool Tower. It then identifies it. I then have options. So if I click options, then fast, short, I can put a winding route, and I can choose how winding that route is going to be. So I've got maximum. I'm going to avoid the motorways. I'm going to avoid toll roads, avoid dirt roads, avoid ferries. So I have lots of options. Click that, and it then tells me at the bottom what it is. Press go, plans a route. And there it is. So if I go to the bike and connect it now, that'll come up and it will send me down what should be a very, very fun ride down to Blackpool. So I hope this helps, and leave any comments, leave any questions. Thanks a lot. Bye.